Second day at dealership. We ready. We got the uniform on. We went with the hair going back instead of forward. Got our drink and our lunch pack. Computer. Be ready. Cheers. Almost forgot the watch, man. That would have messed me up. Okay, we got the watch. We onwards. Bye, Moosey. Bye, Moosey. Have a good day. Ooh, pulling in, second day. Look at all these new Toyotas, baby. We ready. We ready for it. Look at them. Just lined up. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Look at that TRD. Look at that TRD Pro. Oh, I like that camo bumper, too. We're an hour early today. Okay, we are on lunch break. I just wanted to walk the lot a little bit. I'm gonna make some personal phone calls. Got this Karma energy water. Tried it out. You like push the top and then you shake it and it gives you the flavor. It's okay. Definitely not gonna be buying again. I don't know, it's got this weird like texture taste to it, like a protein water. Don't really like it, but yeah, it's going good. Can't complain. I've gotten a little bit more practice. Got some showroom experience now. Went with one of the salesmen. Went through a deal with him, so that was cool. Okay, we are doing a test drive. Not a test drive, I'm sorry. A delivery on this Chevy Silver Colorado. I don't know what year this is, but nonetheless, this is cool. I can't be dealing with technology while I'm on the drive, so see ya. Woo! Pretty psyched to end day 2 of car sales training. Today was good. You saw me do that test drive on that Chevy Colorado, I believe it was. It was nice. It was nice, I will say. I do like Chevys, Chevy trucks, but I also like Toyotas. That was a used Chevy, so that's definitely up my alley for a personal vehicle. But helped deliver that. I did a lot of cold calling today. I was not able to do any of the trading videos. That's sometimes just how it is. And then I think I went through like 3 sheets of cold calling. I was able to sit on 1.5 deals. One deal was that 2019 Nissan Altima. That was a quick deal. Got it set up for one of the sergeants local to us. And then the second deal was a 2026 Toyota Tacoma for a gentleman out of, I think, Miami. Real cool guy. I'm gonna be able to sit on the rest of that deal tomorrow. Today was a bell-to-bell. I wasn't expecting it to be bell-to-bell, but that's perfectly fine. I am a little tired. I don't think I was quite ready. I didn't bring enough drinks, I guess I should say. Caffeination. But yeah, it was a good day. I'd rate it probably like a 5 out of 7. Can't complain. So on to the next day. Gonna get a good night's rest. Just giving Yeti a walk. Have a good one, y'all.